It's a big day for me today. It's January 4th, 2019, and I received half an hour ago crane-free lab. I'm hoping Zhiyun, I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing this properly. It's a beautifully designed. Click, click. Open the lid. Oh my goodness! What is inside? As I said before, crane-free lab. Zhiyun. Yeah. You guys laughing probably, but that's what I saw it. Wow. It's a beautiful. Look at that. It is beautiful, beautifully designed. This is as far as I can go now with this. I have no idea how to use it, and now I would like to make sure that I'll use this properly. So it's time to educate myself. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you so much for sending so quickly, as I mentioned before. And it's supposed to be the end of the January. Today is January 4th, and it's already here on my table.